Now the next performer, he has been singing since he was born. So yeah, that's what he said. He has been singing since the day he has been born. He's from the island of Haiti. He's gonna do 2 songs for us, and his album is coming out soon. Put your hands together and let's welcome Don Juan.
Everybody, let me see a piece this up. Are you ready? Are you feeling today? Please stand one. I'm not giving you hey. Let me see a piece this up like this. We got the things God. We got the things God together with me. With this song. Thank you, God. DJ, let's go. Let me see a piece this up. Everybody like this. A piece this up, please. Look at Everybody, hit stuff like this, yeah, hit stuff.